So question 1. A capacitor of capacitance C equals to 15 PF is charged with voltage 500 V. The electric field inside the capacitor with dielectric is 10 power 6 and the area of the plate is 10 minus 4 meters square. Then we have to find the dielectric constant of the medium and we have given the epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 in SI unit. So let's see the solution. We have given capacitor 15, voltage 500, electric field 10 to power 6, area 10 to power minus 4, and then we have to find a dielectric constant, that is K, dielectric constant. So we'll find it, dielectric constant, that is C into D upon epsilon naught into A. So as we know, E equals to V upon D. So we'll put the value of D, that is V by E. We'll get C into V upon E into epsilon naught into A. So this is the formula for dielectric constant, and we have to just put the values on it. That is C is also given, that is 15. For V we have 500. For E we have 10 to the power 6. For epsilon naught is also given. For the area 10 to the power minus 4. So we have to apply the formula and we get the value, that is 8.47. So option B is the right answer.